Now, this is 10 of 10. Better on the possibility of that. Hello, hello, welcome back. And today we are in new place in Miami. It's a Mother Wolf. It's owned by Evan Funke. So he was on the Netflix on the chef's table. Today we will be his guest in this restaurant, and I'm obsessed to try Italian food. I know he has the restaurants in LA, but it's kind of far away from Miami, so it's so good to have it here and to try it here, right? So let's go, let's try, and I give you opinion what I think about this place. Oh, that's cool. That's nice. Do you like my dress? Hello. Good. Thank you. This is our table for tonight. This is the menu. Mother Wolf. Miami's first dinner. And this is the cocktails and the wine. What is this? Ah, this is the bottom. Okay, with this is different. Okay. So I think you're gonna have so the first thing we have a bruschetta with pomodoro. Bruschetta pomodoro. I choose to have a Miami spice. It's three appetizer, main course, and the dessert. It's gonna be $6 per the person. What is that?
tutta the hintat till jag minns.
And this is cinnamon cheese in that. So let's try the toast first, I guess. And I don't like lactose, so I hope I don't gonna die after tonight. Honestly. Really nice. A little bit spicy, but it tastes definitely so fresh. Like the cheese just melts in, and yeah, I feel a lot of pepper there and very crunchy. I like the crunches. Oh la la. So let's try this one. It's looks crunchy as well. Hmm. I love beef tartare. It's my favorite. In this one, it's close to the favorite. Nice. It's actually it feels like it's missing something, like the fresh meat, but sour. But yeah, it's missing maybe egg yolk. Yeah, something missing definitely. But I like it. For now, it's good. Enjoy. So we're gonna do what is going on. So this is the funky filter with the mushrooms. I can see it's so much cheese in here that I think I'm gonna die honestly from the lactose. But so this was not in the Miami Spice menu. I ordered separate just because they do have an amazing, nice, looking pizza stove. I think it's like made in Sicily, possible. I really want to try the pizza here because the stove looks just incredible. And look, it's so crunchy. The yeah. Here you go. Ah, no, it's not that crunchy. Really nice. I like that it's hard, chewy, little crunchy. Yeah, and with the mushroom, it's definitely really interesting. And they do have like fresh pepper on top and the fresh parmigiano. Mm. This is my definitely favorite pizza in Miami. Now we got our two pastas with the ragu and the cacio pepe. So let's see if it's a real Italian space and real Italian pasta. So the chef is Italian, right? So it should be there. Honestly, white sauce is not my favorite. I don't like it. And this is very well done, but very salty. So I'm not very like sorry. And the ragu. This one I like better. But the pizza was the best. I don't know. The pasta is not see that good. So for dessert, we got tiramisu and the mango sorbet. Look at that. Oof. Mm. So good. Oh my god. I need some tea, but it's super. Love it. I make me. Now this is 10 of 10. Better than the first billion qualidade. They check up the pasta. A bit. So I just finished this beautiful dinner in this beautiful place in Miami Design District. And let me tell you what I think. So I did take Miami Spice actually for two people. So I had a choice to try like everything was half of Miami Spice. And the appetizers was just amazing. Like truly amazing. The Pomodoro bruschetta, it was so crispy and so fresh tomatoes and some kind of bitter taste after that, so it's really like unique and tasteful. And the second appetizer, it was a beef tartare, which one had a kind of cheese note inside. I not really like that, so that one was like a 7 of 10. So let's go to the pasta. No, pizza, right? Yeah. So in the Miami Spice, we got two pastas. One is the cacio pepe, and the second one, wild burrata. So it's Italian price, right? So it was so much expectations for the pasta, but the pasta sucked. It was so bad. So it was so salty pasta, the pepper, whatever. And yeah, so we asked them to replace it, and they did replace it. And after they took off the check, thanks, but I mean, this place is Italian, so the pasta, especially the simple things like this, should be good. I was not satisfied, not at all. Ragu pasta was okay, so it was like a 6 of 10. I don't want to try it again, honestly. But thanks God, we did order some pizza. So the pizza with the mushrooms, it was just phenomenal. It was like the best pizza I ever tried in Miami, New York, or somewhere else. It was so thin, crispy, and just well balanced. Like really tastes so well. It's well done. Like thanks God they had it. Like I was satisfied, only because of this pizza. I really like to come back to this place and try different dishes. I really want to give this place the second chance, to try something else, because the pasta is so bad. But the pizza was so good that it makes me to come back here. You understand the difference? And for the desserts, I did get the tiramisu and the mango sorbet. Each one of them was just a 10 of 10. It was so fresh tiramisu. And I do like it when it's not sweet, when it's like a well balanced. And the sorbet is like really, you just eating like a fresh mango. So it was really nice and cool. So for two people, it was $260 with the tips and with the taxes. I think it's affordable price for Miami. And actually, it's really nice place. And inside, the interior was just so beautiful. Like every corner, you really want to make the picture. The restaurant's really beautiful. And Mondays wasn't pretty busy, but I really surprised why this place don't have enough advertising maybe because I didn't know about this place until my friends told me. But actually, they opened 10 months ago. So it should be really popular with the quality of the food they offer. So let me know what you think and let me know what is your favorite place in Miami and I will go check it out. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. XOXO. Mwah. See you.